In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted stories in Facebook. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have deleted some stories from your Facebook account and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open the Facebook application, click on your profiles icon at the top right corner of your screens and go to settings. Now scroll down and click on this option that says download your information. Select request a download. Now select your Facebook account and click on next. Click on the first option, complete copy, and then tap on this submit request option. After you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted stories on Facebook will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted stories on Facebook will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.